Well, this is the horror slide part 2. I'm going into horror truck ride, and I'm scared. It's right there. I don't know what's going to happen to me. Something happened to Lisa on the horror slide. Oh my God, I'm scared. I think something's gonna happen. Okay, I'm starting to drive. Yeah! I think I just went out of control. I think I'm gonna slide. I think I'm gonna slide. Okay. Okay, I think I'm okay. Okay. It starts to rain. I think it's gonna rain again. Okay, it started raining. Tornado! 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 I think I was just drunk. Well, that's the end of my movie.